Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add games in Vortex. First, launch the Vortex application on your computer. Once it's open, look for the Games section on the left-hand menu. Click on this to view your current game library. This is your central hub for managing all your modded titles. We'll start by ensuring Vortex recognizes your installed games, which is a crucial first step for successful modding. After navigating to the Games section, you'll see an option to scan for new games. Click this button, and Vortex will begin searching your system for installed titles. It's quite smart, often finding games even if they're not in standard locations. This process usually takes only a few moments. Once the scan is complete, a list of detected games will appear, ready for you to confirm and add to your Vortex library. Sometimes, Vortex might not automatically detect a game, especially if it's from an unusual source or an older title. Don't worry, there's an easy manual option. Simply click the Add Game Manually button. This will open a file explorer, allowing you to navigate directly to your game's installation folder and select its main executable file. This ensures Vortex correctly identifies and prepares the game for modding. With your games successfully added, they will now appear prominently in your Vortex library. From here, you can select any game to begin installing and managing its mods. Vortex provides a dedicated dashboard for each title, offering detailed control over your modding experience. Always ensure the game is marked as managed to allow Vortex full control over its mod deployment and organization. You're now ready to enhance your gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.